Swami Vivekananda and his books, Changing How People See Hinduism. Swami Vivekananda was a great spiritual leader and thinker from India. He helped the world understand Hinduism in a new way. Through his books and speeches, he showed that Hinduism is not just a religion but a way of life based on tolerance, kindness, and self-growth. His writings have changed how people in India and around the world see Hinduism. Important books by Swami Vivekananda. 1. Raja Yoga. What it's about? This book explains Raja Yoga, a method of meditation and self-discipline to achieve self-realization. Why it's important? Swami Vivekananda explained yoga in a simple way that people in the West could understand. He showed that yoga is not just about physical exercise but also about mental and spiritual growth. How it changed thinking. He made yoga accessible to everyone, helping people see Hinduism as a practical way to improve life. 2. Karma Yoga. What it's about? This book talks about Karma Yoga, the path of selfless action. It teaches how working without selfishness leads to spiritual growth. Why it's important? The idea of doing one's duty without expecting rewards appealed to people from different cultures. How it changed thinking. It showed that Hinduism is not just about prayers and rituals but also about living a meaningful and responsible life. 3. Jnana Yoga. What it's about? This book explains the path of knowledge, Jnana Yoga, and discusses deep Hindu ideas like Brahman, the ultimate reality, and Maya, illusion. Why it's important? Swami Vivekananda explained difficult concepts in a clear and logical way. How it changed thinking. He proved that Hinduism is a philosophy based on reason and deep thinking, not just superstitions. 4. Bhakti Yoga. What it's about? This book talks about the path of devotion, Bhakti Yoga, where love for God leads to spiritual growth. Why it's important? Swami Vivekananda showed that love for God is not limited to one religion but is universal. How it changed thinking. He made Hinduism more open and welcoming to different spiritual beliefs. 5 Lectures from Colombo to Almora. What it's about? This is a collection of Swami Vivekananda's speeches when he returned to India after his famous visit to the West. Why it's important? He encouraged Indians to take pride in their spiritual heritage while also accepting modern ideas. How it changed thinking. He showed that Hinduism is flexible and can grow with time. How Swami Vivekananda changed the view of Hinduism. Hinduism is for everyone. He explained that Hinduism is not a strict religion but a broad philosophy that respects all beliefs. Hinduism is logical and scientific. He presented Hindu ideas in a clear and reasonable way, proving that it is based on deep thinking, not blind faith. Focus on self-realization. He encouraged people to look within themselves for spiritual growth rather than just following rituals. Spirituality and social work go together. He taught that religion should help society, especially the poor and needy. Hinduism is a global philosophy. Through his books and lectures, he made Hindu teachings known and respected worldwide. Swami Vivekananda's legacy. Swami Vivekananda's books continue to inspire people everywhere. His teachings help people understand that Hinduism is a path of peace, self-discovery, and unity. His ideas have influenced many leaders and thinkers, proving that Hindu wisdom is valuable for all times. Conclusion. Swami Vivekananda changed the way people see Hinduism. His books and speeches helped bridge the gap between Eastern and Western spirituality. His messages of unity, tolerance, and self-improvement remain relevant today, making him one of the greatest spiritual teachers of all time.